Hey guys, this is how to open a Terabox video link without the app. So, in order to do that, just simply go ahead and open up any web browser on your device. I'm going to use Chrome. From here, just go to google.com and search for Terabox link. Scroll down and you'll see something like Terabox Downloader. Go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see, there will be a box where you can paste your Terabox link. After that, you'll be able to open the Terabox video. Just provide the link in the box, and you can simply download it. Alternatively, if you already have the link, just go ahead and paste it directly in the browser's URL bar. For example, let's say you have a link. I'll use google.com as an example. Once you're on the page, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and enable Desktop Site. From there, you should be able to see the video and download it as well. Just paste the link into the URL bar at the top and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.